Welcome back to my channel! So today we are very excited because we just got the most awaited package, which is the swimming pool! We got the 2.2 meters by 1.5 meters rectangular set Intex pool. So we have here the manual, some sort of filter, I don't know. And we have, I'm guessing those are the poles. That box. Ooh. What the? Huh? Hoy! What you doing? Go inside? No, oi. Too small. Okay, so this is the manual, but it does not have any English version of it. So we just have to infer and just look at the pictures. So we're gonna be doing the AAB, CD, AAB, CD pattern here. So what we did is we just laid the whole pool and put the poles right next to it so that it would be easier for us to assemble it. This is the final product. Yay! Hi. Say hi. High five. High five. What you looking at? Hi. So it fits perfectly in our balcony. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Hi to you. Say hi. Hi, Mama.